Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss and teach you guys on how to create a program that will ask the user to give a number, and then our program will convert the given number into its square equivalent using JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, we are here in Notepad, and then we have here starting HTML tag head, title, square a number in JavaScript, script type JavaScript, var numval, a variable here, parse int, prompt, enter a number. Normally the prompt in JavaScript will ask you a value. It will be stored as a string. So we have here a parse int, a method in JavaScript to convert whatever value in the prompt into integer format. And then we have here another variable declaration, square. Var square will act as an assignment statement. Look closely with the expression equals num underscore val multiplied by itself to get the square of a number. Now there are several built-in functions like matpau in JavaScript to achieve square a number, but this one is a very straightforward for beginners. Document write header 1 square a number in JavaScript. The given number val underscore val num underscore val, it will display whatever the value it is, br, next line, and then square of the given number is square. We close the script, head, and HTML. Okay, let us go with our online compiler. Basically I'm using js.do. It is an online compiler for JavaScript. Let us click the run button, enter a number. Let's say we have 9. So square a number in JavaScript, given number 9, square of the given number is 81. Let us run again. Let's say we have 4. Square a number in JavaScript, the given number 4, the square of the given number is 16. Last example, we have 12 here. So the given number 12, the square of the given number is 144. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on square a number in JavaScript programming language. I will put a link in the video description, kindly see, where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my 2 websites. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.